Make a great choice today with the 2015 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, center armrest, trip computer, MP3 player, electronic stability control, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, brake assist. Come see the car for yourself.